Hello everyone, welcome to Cherokee Lockpicking. Today I have a Master stainless steel and it is a enclosed shackle, and this is a dimple lock. Here's the key. See if I can get it up there at an angle where you can see the bitting. This looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pinner. Bearsback sent this to me, and it was a gift to him from Daz Evers. And Bearsback decided to send it out and make a community lock. So, there it is. This is a heavy lock. I don't know the exact dimensions. I guess this to be close to 2 inches wide by 3 inches tall. Let's see if we can get this open on camera. I've opened this lock once. So, let's see how we do. I'm going to rig up my 2 tension wrenches so I can do some controlling on now. When I first started picking this lock, I was putting too much tension. I think I mentioned that in my other video. I did a dimple lock last week, and it was Stock Lock Tuesday, and it was the little brother to this lock, and found I was doing too much tension. They all are different, I believe, and too much tension and pressing on the pins too hard. So, and another thing I've noticed is sometimes if the pins have to be pushed up fairly high to set, I've been using the heel of the pick, and I just got a fault set just then. And instead of using the tip pushing up, I use the tip and then push up the heel. You can see what I'm doing. So I like to use both sides and hopefully get it open. Whatever it takes, huh? I believe that was number 1. Gave me the turn on the cord. These require you to have control to set these pins, because you have to go back and forth almost like in a rocking position to get them set. Hope I'm explaining that very good. Oop. I think I got that one set. Felt good. Almost lost my pick. Good. There we go. All right. It's open. Yay. Well, that was a fun little pick. And let's check out the keys. Haven't done that yet. There we go. Well, that's a solid little lock. I like that. Very cool. Well, anyways, folks, again, Daz Evers, Bearsback. If you haven't checked out their channel and you're new, you better zoom on over there. You're missing out. They are super. Thank you for joining me today. Come back again soon. Bye.